Right, so we're heading to our car. So we're going to head out, and I need to find it. I think it's here. Is it? Let's just check. Yeah. Okay. So don't judge the parking because it was late last night. But this is our car. It's a Genesis G70, I believe. But yeah, this is the car that we have been given. It's quite nice. I need to get used to it. Mel's taking video footage of the car to show her family members. But yeah, I'm going to try and work out how to use the sat-nav audio. I need to charge my phone up as well. So yeah, this is our car for the week. Mel stood on the driver's side thinking it's the passenger side, which we both did yesterday. I went to get in the passenger side, Mel went to get in the driver's side. Boy, did we realise we were wrong. But yeah, it's all right. It does the job. It'll get us to the Grand Canyon, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we're going to go head over to Walmart.
Oh my god, just made it to Walmart and everywhere else. Wow!
There's so much stuff here as well. There's Walmart, there's PetSmart, Office Depot, some McDonald's.
There's beds.
Oh, what's that? They also have Walmart, grocery, pharmacy, home.
Sally Hares.
Huh?
Sally Hares. Got these desert pigeons.
At home and pharmacy. Different departments. We'll see what we get.
Have you seen an American job? This is Walmart. This is how big it is. Even got tyres and shit.
Right, so we've just come out of Walmart, and I got to admit, I got a little bit overwhelmed by it. It's so big, so big. Costco locally to us is a fair size. But this is more than double the size of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Found some cool things. I've got some bits to sort of try as well. Stuff we generally can't get in the UK, so I might start a little shorts episode on trying stuff that we've picked up. Like I've got a couple of different bottles of Prime. Yeah, just a few bits and pieces I've been looking for. And definitely when I get to Target, I want to try the Ryan Trahan's Joyride sweets. So we didn't buy too many sweets there. We bought some gum, that sort of stuff. And I found something else that's cool, which I'll show you later, because if you're a Yellowstone fan, you're gonna like it. But yeah, we didn't really record inside because we feel really bad. It was 6 a.m. when it opened, because obviously our body clocks are buggered, and in the UK it's about 12 p.m. currently. It's 7 a.m. here. We're in there for about an hour, spent just under $100, but it was definitely worth it. It's a cool experience. What did you think?
Yeah, it's really good. I'm really hungry now.
Are you? Of course you are. It feels like hours ago since you had those hot dogs.
And condone.
But yeah, we got
hours ago.
We got the bits that our daughters wanted, that sort of stuff. That was the main reason to go to Walmart, is to get stuff for our daughters, because yeah. But we're gonna head towards Target, because that is over towards where we want to go for Probass, the outlets, and possibly Cracker Barrel. We haven't decided yet, but we'll head towards Target and see what's occurring. Right, so we are at somewhere I've wanted to go to for quite a while. My wife's not so enthusiastic, but we're at Probash Shop's Outdoor World. You're excited? I'm excited. Bowsy and Apple wondering what the fuck we're doing. I'm going to make sure I lock the car. Oh, this place is big. Big. Go on.
No.
There you go, upstairs. So we're at the Outlets building. Apparently got a massive mic. Oh yeah, Mel, look at the size of it. Babies and kids. Right, so we've actually come out after going shopping this morning. We've been through the MGM Grand, which it was quite nice. We're about to go to New York, and we've got to cross over, but it's raining.
We can get an umbrella.
Sorry.
I don't know.
But yeah, we've got to cross over. But yeah, we're going to go over the first Sky Bridge thing, and yeah, it's raining, so we're going to try and make it across the road. Oh, there's a lift there. No, but there's a lift. Is that like...
No, it's this.
Just walk up. No. No, do you want to go on the open top bus? I just saw that.
Let's take a picture of the Statue of Liberty. For a shot. Hey!
How you doing?
Are you going to walk over here? Okay.
Can we go down the steps and then into Reese? Oh yeah, chuck a lot there. Oh well, that smell hits you hard. I believe the Coca-Cola one is around here somewhere as well.
So just said
So we're in Hershey. We got some cakes, but size compared to my cake.
there's nothing in it. It's like for your kitchen, like fake kitchen.
The sort of thing that sort of thing you get Jade. So Jade wants Hershey Kisses. Right, so we've actually decided to come back the other side into the MGM Grand. Because we wanted to go to M&M World, Coca-Cola World, and a few other places this side. And Hershey's, the smell it was really strong. But we are going to go back over to the New York. It's just pissing down the rain still. Right, so we've actually come back over the bridge because we actually want to check out M&M World. Got Raising Cane's tickets. We want to go to M&M. Just say don't take it. Well, we want want M&M. Go into the water. No. So we're going to M&M World. There's food court. Happy Lemon. M&M World. Mel has already found something in M&M that she wants. We'll never know, Mel. You might even find the cups that you got from London. Fun?
Bloody broken it, didn't I? I'd trust it if it was in a suitcase.
She wants one of them. Yeah. Those mini cups are 4 for $25. 24. Yeah. I feel as if this is going to be yeah, I'm gonna get dragged around M&M and God help, because she goes nuts in the London one with different things. So yeah, wish me luck. Well, I thought we made it out safely. Mel only bought 4 cups and a bag. We're heading to the Coca-Cola store, I think. It looks cool.
Yeah, look, you look up.
Yeah. The Hard Rock Cafe as well. Oh yeah, we're going to go and Coca-Cola. Espresso.
no, they took pictures of both questions.
So we've made it to New York, and there is apparently, it looks like, might have found it straight away, maybe. So we've actually stopped for a break because we've been going since, we've been up since 4:30 this morning after about 3-4 hour nap. So we've had 3 or 4 hours sleep after a long trip here yesterday. But we've stopped for chicken slice and beer. Yeah, it's like 10 past, 12 hours we've been going, just over. And yeah, if you ever come to New York, Las Vegas or New York, check out this little spot in. It's got some nice food. We're both gonna have a slice of pizza and see where the night takes us. Probably back to our hotel for a nap.